The wireless space is a very dynamic space in the global market. It's very exciting to imagine all the different ways where wireless is going to evolve over the next few years. Being most familiar with Wi-Fi, I can tell you that there is a strong roadmap of programs that we're working on in the Wi-Fi Alliance to continue to expand the applicability of Wi-Fi. We have about 12 different development programs that we're working on. This year, for example, we will deliver to the marketplace something called Wi-Fi Direct. Up to now, people are very familiar with traditional Wi-Fi and connecting in hotspots or at home or at work by joining a network and then having access to the local area network or the internet. When we have Wi-Fi Direct starting this year, you'll be able to connect devices wirelessly using Wi-Fi directly to each other without the need for a router, without the need for an internet connection. And so what that'll mean is that a wider range of devices will be able to connect wirelessly. One way to think about it is up to now, Wi-Fi has been an alternative to Ethernet cables. From this year on, Wi-Fi will be increasingly an alternative to any kind of cable, USB cables, HDMI cables, component cables. And this is one example of what's happening in the wireless space. Moving forward, probably a couple of years from now, we'll deliver something to the market in the area of 60 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And what's exciting about that is you'll see performance in the range of multiple gigabit per second speeds. So in practice, that could mean walking up to a kiosk with your phone, and with this with the range of technologies now available for Wi-Fi from the Wi-Fi lines, you'll be able to touch a kiosk and download a movie, full high definition 3D in a matter of 4 seconds. So very exciting. And then we're working on a range of other programs to make Wi-Fi easier to use. You might have seen recently there was an announcement from the FCC opening up TV white spaces. And so we are working on a program to deliver Wi-Fi into the TV white spaces frequencies, which will make the service area of Wi-Fi much broader than what it is today. So there's a full range of offerings, and Wi-Fi will continue to evolve for the foreseeable future. Our roadmap takes us out beyond 3 years, and we have a lot going on in that time frame. Austin's a very exciting place to be if you're in the wireless space. The Wi-Fi Alliance is headquartered in Austin, and the Wi-Fi Alliance is one of the premier organizations in the wireless space. So there's a lot of reasons why we're here. One of them is there's a terrific talent pool. There's a great number of companies represented here in Austin, and it's broadly recognized not just as a technology hub, but as a wireless hub, Austin. And so it's a great place to be if you're in this space. My sense is that Austin will continue to attract more talent and more companies in the wireless space over the next few years.